Pink Frog Crafts here. Let's talk about the lovely array of Pink Frog true coloured cardstock. When we talk about true cardstock, we talk about acid and lignin free, so perfect for all your crafty needs. We also talk about colour right through to the core, so it's the same both sides with the colour on the inside of the core as well. Let me introduce you to all the lovely colours. We have true black, true white, true dark grey, true grey, true ivory, true brown, true light brown, true blue, true dark blue, true light blue, true light pink, true pink, true red and true green. So a kaleidoscope of beautiful colours. With Pink Frog Crafts, they come in various sizes, so you can make lots of your crafty creations, whether it's cards, whether it's scrapbooking. We have a colour to suit you. We also have true bright white linen. Now this is a textured cardstock. I've swiped an ink pad down here so you can see the texture of the linen cardstock, but all the rest of these have a nice smooth finish. So these are all the colours from Pink Frog Crafts and Cards. Do check them out, and they also come, as I say, in a variety of card sizes to suit your every need. So Pink Frog Crafts and Cards, good quality card from a family run business here in the UK.